But as of today, no case of Ebola has been detected in our country. I want to thank the team that is doing a lot in terms of surveillance and laboratory testing. By this morning, 270,000 travelers have been screened digitally in all our over 20 entry points. And we want to ask our citizens to maintain good hand hygiene by washing their hands regularly with the soap and clean water or using alcohol-based hand sanitizers. Avoid contact with persons who are sick or displaying symptoms suggestive of EVD. Please promptly report any suspected cases or unusual illness to the nearest health facility